Is knowledge of structures or structural engineering necessary for architects?
Architecture springs from concepts of structure. I think that we spend too much time in architecture teaching that which really cannot be taught, which is creativity. And we don't spend enough time teaching things that architects have to know, like structural systems and mechanical equipment. Structural engineering is fundamental to how we modulate our buildings, how we decide how large a room should be, and how we aggregate huge numbers of rooms in different typologies of buildings. If we're doing a big office building or an IT building, we may use a flat slab with columns about 8.4 by 8.4 on center. If we're doing an apartment building, we may look for something in the range of 10, 11, 12 feet, simple spans on a frame structure. Or we might try to double over 2 rooms and have a 20-foot span or 22-foot span. So the modulation of buildings very much gets generated by structure, and in complex buildings where you're parking cars below and you have to have modules that fit in with a 5 meter by 2.5 meter parking slot, and then you've got rooms upstairs which really don't want to be 5 meters by 2.5 meters. The whole structural system becomes the interface between these various kinds of problem sets which nestle inside of one architectural problem. So I think the fun of architecture really is in the structure. And if you look at architects like Peer Ludwig Nerving, Calatrava, so many of the great Eiffel, who did Eiffel Tower, they were really engineers who used engineering as an artistic tool. Maybe that's going a little over into the engineering side a bit too much, but there's no architect who didn't understand structure who did great buildings.